The Orthopedic Institute in Sioux Falls says fewer people have been seeking care for orthopedic issues. They say if you're in pain, waiting to get help could cause more damage. In tonight's Health Beat, KELOLAND's Sophie Heineman shows us how the facility is providing care while taking extra safety precautions.
With fears of getting sick and confusion about what health issues can be treated during the pandemic, doctors at the Orthopedic Institute in Sioux Falls say some patients are postponing care. Dr. David Jones says the facility has remained open throughout the pandemic, helping patients on a case-by-case basis.
Obviously, injuries, broken bones, torn tendons, those type of injuries don't stop with people being at home and in the quarantine.
He says elective surgeries were put on hold over the last few weeks, but are now slowly being rescheduled after Governor Kristi Noem's back to normal plan was announced.
Patients who are at increased medical risk of needing a prolonged hospitalization or intensive care after surgery, those patients we are still having to postpone, but we are getting back to a bit more normal type of surgery again.
Dr. Matthew Wingate, a spine surgeon at the Orthopedic Institute, says people who are in pain shouldn't wait to seek help.
But if people have prolonged pressure on their spinal cord or prolonged pressure on the nerves in their back, it can actually lead to permanent damage in the spinal cord or in the nerves in the back.
And that's just one example of the various orthopedic issues that he says can lead to permanent damage. To help people decide their plan of care, the facility is using telehealth.
That's at least a good initial first step so that we can kind of get a preview of what's going on. If it needs further investigation, then of course having them come in to see us in our office.
Staff members are wearing masks and they're screening patients before they even enter the building.
We're taking all the necessary precautions to help the patients in their confidence that when they come to Sioux Falls and they come to have care from us, that they're going to be safe.
With Health Beat, I'm Sophie Heineman.